Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 60 SE NXTpaper, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot Mode. So to get started, you'll want to hold your power button and select Power Off from the options. There we go. Now, when the device turns off, hold power button and volume up at the same time. In a moment, you will see a TCL logo on a screen, at which point you want to let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. This will shortly redirect us to the recovery mode, and in here, using volume buttons, you want to scroll down and select either enter Fastboot Mode or reboot to bootloader. Both of them actually take us to Fastboot Mode. The only difference is, I presume, which I'll check right now, the bootloader here mode is kind of like just a bootloader or bootloader Fastboot Mode with no options, and to leave it you would hold power button volume down to basically reboot the device, while this one I presume will be similar, to the recovery mode with couple options and navigation through it. So you can navigate in here using volume buttons, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now I'm going to select the first option, Reboot System Now, which is a way of leaving this mode, and this will just bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.